Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Every Monday morning, I drag myself out of bed at the crack of dawn. I have a quick shave, and then, bleary-eyed, I make my way downstairs, make some coffee, turn on the computer and get ready to teach, because my first class of the week is at 7:30 every day. This morning, a couple of my students in this group were complaining that it was too early, at which I scoffed by saying, "Hey, listen, I'm in London, I'm 2 hours behind you, or 3 hours behind you, or 4 hours behind you. I think I drew the short straw here." If you say that somebody has or drew the short straw, you basically mean they got the worst part of the deal. They had the least enjoyable of a series of options or a series of duties. Maybe because they were chosen to do this. I guess it comes from this tradition of deciding who's going to do something, where you have little sticks or straws and one of them's short and the rest of them are long. And whoever pulls out or draws the short straw has to do some terrible thing. So, maybe if you live in a shared house, you might draw the short straw and end up having to clean the bathroom and the toilet every week. I was talking to a friend of mine recently who's doing her second conference presentation at IELTS this year. And I said, "Oh, it sounds exciting. When are you on? I might come to see you." And she said, "I've drawn the short straw. I've got the last slot on the last day of the conference, by which point most people will have gone home already." And sometimes we use it if you're talking about like a cup competition where you draw names, out of a hat or whatever, to decide who's going to play who. If you're a smaller football team like Wales or, Slovakia or someone, and you qualify for the World Cup and you're waiting to see which group you're going to be in, you may draw the short straw and find that you're in the group of death, along with, Argentina, Spain and Germany, for example. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use drawing the short straw.